My name is Ross Estela. I'm based in Chiclayo city in Peru. And professional-wise, I've been doing many endeavors. So I'm biologist at background, but I also have a master in arts and in higher education. I come from a small town, so we didn't know much about open data or the data set that we can use to enhance our projects. But I would say that back in 2017, I was in a team and we were developing a water softener. So we were improving the water for agriculture in the north part of Peru. So I think like combining this data and imagery can be very helpful to enhance these local projects and have even a global contribution. The field is very useful in a sense that we can create these correlations between some multiple facts and try to connect the dots. Before it wasn't, so easy to access, and now they are just one click away. So it's like it can be like local, work locally and have this global impact. I think that one of the highest takeaway. I hope it reach more people and even with younger age, so they can be interested in this kind of planetary science and earth science. Because try to democratize it not only in the big cities, but how we also can speak a language that is easy to reach to a general audience. Most of the time, what I found while working in biology is like in biology lab is like how we can communicate better the message and that is not get lost. So having improving this science communication and reach of the education sets is also a good way to go. I'm very interested in, the project that presented is about preserving indigenous knowledge or traditional ecological knowledge. It has been very challenges at the beginning because there was always the debate of this is related, if this is science, is not, is culture, to who is going to take the responsibility to do the, safeguarding of the knowledge or how we can actually start understanding better. So I'm planning to combine visual data to tell life stories or to try to tell these local stories. And I think it's been a whole journey. It's not been easy because at the beginning it was just less much, older generations with younger generations, and let's start a conversation there and put into talk. But now it's like how we can, showcase better and also in a scientific way or using this kind of open data sets to communicate these personal life stories um into a way yes, to create a bigger impact and also to try to create the sense of belonging, that this is not just something that is happening, in the north of Peru. This is also happening, or it has an impact, direct impact in other parts of the world. So I think that's what earth science or planetary science give us, that vision and this sense of belonging. Being part of the global cohort, we can actually gather feedback that can make our solution or our vision in be applicable in different places, and having this whole connection of global and connectedness is what is for me is the main takeaway.